Hello guys, my name is Marida Sabrina Putri. With name 098. Okay, and here I will explain some material related to Pamekasan. First, social group and social dynamic of Pamekasan. Two, social stratification and social mobility Pamekasan. 3. Culture ecology and social adaptation Pamekasan. Gender and development issue. Social change and development. Pamekasan profile. Pamekasan is a regency located on Madura, Island as Java with its capital sharing the same name. This area is known for its unique culture such as Karapan Sapi, Balraj, Madura Batik, and Islamic tradition. Its economy is rich, driven by agriculture, particular tobacco farming, and Madura cattle breeding. Popular tourist attractions in Pamekasan include Palang Beach, the Eternal Flame, api tak kunjung padam, and the Arek Lancar Monument. The majority of the population speak the Maduresi language and practice Islam, making Pamekasan rich in local cultural and traditional value. Social group and social dynamic in Pamekasan. Social group in Pamekasan are formed based of religions, culture, and occupation. The majority of the population are Maduresi, of strongly hold Islamic value, making group such as pesantren, Islamic boarding school, communities, and religious study group prominent. Additional, there are group of tobacco farmer, Pamekasan, Madura cattle breeders, and batik artisans, which plays a significant role in the local economy. Uh, Social group. 1. Groups of kinship. Pamekasan society still adheres to the Madurist kinship system. 2. Group based on religion. Islamic is the majority religion in Pamekasan, so there are many religions based of social group such as mosque, congregation, religion study group, and religion study group. 3. Group based of economic activity. Self-farmer group. Considering and that Pamekasan has great potential in the salt production sector. 4. Culture group and traditions. Traditions are exceptions such as bull riding group and traditional Madurist music saronen. A community of culture lovers who are active in Province Maduresi traditions such as traditional dance and traditional ritual. Social dynamic. Social dynamic in Pamekasan are influenced by strong traditions and modernization. Tradition like karapan sapi atau bull ranching, and community mutual assistance gotong royong are still present first, but people are also increasingly open to formal education and technology. Social conflict are rare, as kinship and customary values and respected. However, challenges as urbanization and economic dispersion are beginning to emerge in some are. One, effect to modernizing. Modernizing by such is people's lifestyle include information technology which is starting up to penetrate fleets in Pamekasan. For two, social conflict. The potential for conflict often exists due to competition in the bull ranching traditional, which in force practice competition between families or groups. 3. Migration and urbanization. Many Pamekasan residents migrate to other areas, especially to Pamekasan and Jakarta, to find work. 4. Women empowerment. In regions, this says women in Pamekasan have become more active in various sectors such as education, small business, and religious activity. 5. The role of Pamekasan boarding school in social dynamic. Pesantren are centers of education and also social drive in Pamekasan, often acting as mediators in conflict and driver of social change. Social stratification and social mobility. Uh, Social stratification in Pamekasan is formed from the traditional Madurese value system combined with modern social developments. The social stratification is divided into several categories based on status, role, and economic factor. Uh, Pertama, first, based on traditional status, nobility or aristocrat, aristocrat, now as the kings or families with noble bloodlines. They usually have a great influence in local custom and institutions. Two, based on economic. Upper class usually includes big businessmen, landowners, and batik or cars calf business owner. 3. Based on education. Social strata can also be seen from the level of education explicitly between graduates of Islamic boarding school, formal education, and people who have not received higher education. 4. The influence of gender of social stratification. Men are generally considered to have the primary role in the economy and family decision making, although women becoming active in the same business and education sector. Uh, Social mobility. refers to the movement of individuals of group within the social stratification structure. In Pamekasan, social mobility occur thus referral channel. Yang first, vertical mobility. Thus education, especially for graduates of Islamic boarding school and university. Success in small business such as batik production or salt trading. Position in government or religious institutes such as becoming a kiai for a community leader. Horizontal mobility. Job transfer from one sector to another. For example, from farmer to trader or from informal worker to formal employee. 3. Factor-driven social mobility. Formal education. Formal and non-formal education such as skill training provide opportunities for people to improve their social status. Economy, business opportunities such as salt production, batik, and trade are the main routes for social mobility in Pamekasan. Social relation connection with religious figures of local official often help people obtain job opportunities of business supports. Culture, ecology, and community adaptation. The culture, the culture and adaptation of the Pamekasan community shows the close the relationship between culture, the environment, and how the community adaptation to natural and social change. Culture ecology in Pamekasan. 1. Utilization of nature. Self products production as the main commodity, dry land farming, corn, tobacco, and cattle farming, the tradition of rokat tatse reflect gratitude for the resources of the sea. 2. Traditional architecture. The Tanian Lanceng Pamekasan House is designed according to environmental and kinship needs. 3. Environmental influence. The dry climate influences farming techniques, water conservation, and simple living better. Community adaptation. 1. Environment. Simple irrigation and selection of drought resistant plants. Business diversification cans. Diversification. Salt, batik, and trade. So, social culture. Pesantren teachers religions as well uh, as practical skill. 3. Technology. Digitalization of business for marketing batik and sell. Modernization of cell phones to include youth. 4. Urbanization. The younger generation migrates for education and work, while maintaining local tradition. Gender and development issue. Gender and development issue in Pamekasan reflect the change of patriarchal culture, but gender equality efforts were beginning to develop in various sectors. Um, men, men dominant in decision making, working in formal sector such as livestock, agriculture, and sales. Women involved in business, batik and culinary, and domestic tasks, but starting to be active in education and entrepreneurship. Social justice and development. Pamekasan, a regency on Madura Island as Java, Indonesia, has experienced dynamic social justice and development influenced by modernization, globalization, and government policies. Social justice and development. Once social justice, modernizing and technology, education, culture, and fellowship, urbanization. Two, development in Pamekasan infrastructure, economy, tourism, social program, environmental sustainability. And thank you.